So what if there's a trillion-dollar problem that no one actually wants to fix? It all kicked off with a pretty shocking discovery in some American healthcare data.
Same hospital, same procedure, yet one patient was charged over 100 times more than another.
This just didn't make sense. So a developer in India, Salman Haider, started digging.
He dug into these public hospital pricing files, the ones nobody ever really looks at.
And he built what he called a forensic analysis engine, basically a tool to find fraud on a massive scale.
And what it found was wild. Price variations of up to 22,000 times for one procedure.
Some prices were 11,000% higher than what they should have been, just way off the charts.
His conclusion? About 70% of U.S. hospitals showed clear signs of price manipulation.
The math was solid. He had court-grade evidence and a tool to fix a trillion-dollar problem.
So, with all this proof, he went to the people who are supposed to care, right? First up, the hospitals. Their response? Absolute, total silence. Nothing. Okay, so what about the lawyers who literally fight healthcare fraud? Surely they'd be interested. Well, turns out they are not really into complex data cases. They just want the easy wins. So finally, he went to the regulators, like the Department of Justice. But they were silent too.
See, they need a victim's testimony. Mathematical proof, on its own, just wasn't enough.
And this is the real kicker. He realized every single player benefits from the broken system.
It's not that the system is broken by accident. It's working exactly the way it's designed to.
And get this, he can't even release his specific proof. Why? Defending the truth in court is just too expensive.
So he had to pause the project, not because the tech failed, but because nobody wanted what it found.
But let's be clear. Technically, he absolutely succeeded. The tool works. The fraud is real.
Which all leads to this one huge, unanswered question that his whole journey uncovered.